Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I would like to show you how to turn on SSH in your Windows machine using pre-built features. To begin with, we'll go to the Windows icon and right click on it and click on apps and features. Once you click on apps and features, this settings interface will appear. Ideally, in most machines, the link that I'm looking for, which is manage optional features, will appear here below apps and features. But if you can't find it here, just go to find a setting, search and search optional features. Then go to manage optional features. Once you're there, you'll see this list of added features. These are the already installed features. In my case, I've already installed Open SSH client and Open SSH server. But in a case where you've not installed any of them, you come here and click on add a connection, the plus icon, and search for the feature that you want to install. In this case, I wanted to show you how to install SSH, so ideally you'll come here and search SSH. If you've not installed it, it will appear here, but because I've already installed it, it isn't coming up. So let's assume that you want to install different feature. All these are features that I've not installed, so let's use one as a sample. I'll choose the RIP listener. So you check on this box and click on add. Once you click on add, you realize that this will appear here, and if you're keen, you'll see that this line is moving right to the right, meaning that the feature is being installed. Once the feature has been installed, just restart your laptop or computer and you'll be able to use the feature that you've just installed. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to this channel for future videos. Thank you.